So how the tribal people were lives, and in our Telangana how many types of the tribal people were lives, and what are the researchers have done by the Hyman Roth, and who is Hyman Roth, and who will do the researches like this, no? For them what we will call anthropologist, right? So who is here anthropologist? Hyman Roth. So Hyman Roth observed and researched in our India, in our Adilabad and some districts, and even west side of the India also. Okay. Then he written some of the books about the lifestyles and customs, whatever they will follow the activities. Okay, how they will solve their problems. These all observed by the Hyman Roth, and he written in the book. And even he added some of the pics, whatever he has taken at that time. So this is all the story at what time, in 1940s times. Okay, 1940s to 15. So at that time. Okay, but nowadays you may think that why do we arrange in that like punch, and why they are giving punishment? You may be think and confused, right? So in the 1940s and 50s times, at that time people only arrange like this as a groups. Of course, this is an example in the tribe. Even in the village people, even in the villages peoples also, they are arranged like that, group of people, and they will discuss the problems, and there only they got into the solutions also. Not like now we have the police stations and the courts and all, right? So later on, in the 1940s and 50s times, so this is these all types of the lifestyles were there. Okay, see, and then onwards, it has become changed. See, afterwards when the people were developing and using of civilizations, right? So the police stations are arrived, a separate department for it, and for a need of justice for any cases, we have to meet the courts like that. And for the electing of a headman to the village, now we are electing the sarpanch by conducting of panchayati raj elections like that. Okay. See, yesterday I have told you about for each panch there is some of the members from each family, male adult. Okay, male adult one from each family will be a member in a panch. Okay, like in a society, panch means nothing but you can assume like a society. Ettu in our villages, if you see, societies are there, right? So like that. So for that all the panch, who is a headman? One person will be the headman. So that headman we are calling as village headman. So in the tribal word they will use like this, patla. Okay, patla is nothing but village headman. So here nowadays the village headman who is then sarpanch. Okay, because we are electing by the elections, right? So we are electing a sarpanch for our headman to our village, right? So like that. Okay, see, here I have written a word here, hereditary. See, then now we are electing a person as a sarpanch. Okay, each and every people who have the rights to vote, they are going to the enter into the polls, and they are elected the sarpanch, right? So same like that. Then not same like that. How they are electing the patla? See, there is no need of electing for the village headman at that times. So who will be then? That person will be arranged by a hereditary manner. Hereditary nothing but which is passes from our parents, which is passes even the title, even the assets. Okay, assets means nothing but whatever we have, lands and all, right? Lands, buildings and all. Okay, and even whatever the position they are carrying on, so that all comes to their children. Okay, that we are calling as hereditary. Okay, so the family hereditary, the patla will be elected. Okay, from years on passing on, that family only will be as a village headman. Okay, see, even this hereditary you might have heard in the kingdoms when there were kings ruled, for us at that time also, when the king were tired, okay, when the king were died, his children will become the king. Okay, his children will become the next king. So that is also we will call as a hereditary. Okay, here. Next, so we are now the Patla also the Patla also arranged to the meetings of the Panch. So we have to be know that first of all responsibilities of Patla. So okay, so what are the arranged Patla and arranged one Panch? We all know it, right? So then, what are the responsibilities of Patla? Now you think that what are the responsibilities of our Sarpanch now? Yeah, he is the headman to our village, and he has to be take care of all revenue systems and the land issues and whatever the village facilities. He have to be think all that. Yes, sir. If we have any problems nowadays, we'll go and meet to the village Sarpanch nowadays. Same like that in the earlier days also. Earlier days also they are meeting the Patlas to get the solving of that any of the village problems. And if any new members are coming, if any new members were arrived to their villages, so their responsibility also done by this Patla. He has to be give the shelter for them and he has to be give the food also for them. Okay, and as well as he have to be solve all the problems whatever they are facing in the village. Maybe just we learned yesterday one case of a girl, right? So decision making of that issues, okay, like that, or else farming, okay, farming problems, or else irrigation problems, like this. Many problems will be solved by the Patla in that village. Okay, see, in the return, what he will get benefit? See, nowadays the sarpanchas are arranged by the government, of course elected by the people, but the sarpanch will get some of the earnings from the government. Yes or no? But this Patla, what he will get? These people, Panch people or else villagers people are offering anything to him in the mode of cash like that? No. They are not giving anything like that. No cash mode and all. But Patla have some of the forms, no? Patla have some of the agriculture works, agriculture land and all, right? In that, at the farming times, remaining all the village people will do the service with the free. Okay, understood? So, the Patla in return, by the doing of this duty, okay, what he will get the benefits? Only he is getting a free laborer from the villagers to farming of his agriculture land. Understand? See. Then after, as I told you, when the people are civilized, gradually the years and decades passing on, okay, Panchayati Raj elections has arrived, okay, and they are conducting, they are nominating some of the candidates from the village. So and people are people are arranging for arranged. Government will be arranging some of the years of duration for years once like that. Okay, for years once they'll arrange the elections. People will participate in that election and selecting the sarpanch. So then onward, sarpanch will be the responsible for till the 5 years to the village, right? So in this all the lesson, what we have learned? See, we have learned of now customs of tribe. Okay, customs of tribe and their lifestyle and whatever how they are solving their problems. Okay, and all. And we have we just have in this lesson village headman. Okay, how they are selecting in the form of hereditary, right? See, no need of selecting. Already that family will be the next also will be a Patla, right? And arrangement in other tribes. So these types of whatever we read now, customs and all these remaining all the tribes. How many types of tribes we have in Telangana? As I told you, Gods, Kondareddis, Chenchus, Okay, so these type of arrangements only will be in the remaining all other tribes also. Okay, see, yet to know also maybe the drones and tribal people were living. Teacher, you may will ask me the question, right? Gradually, when the civilization is occurred, okay, when the civilizations occurred, these gods are migrating to the villages, and they are becoming some of them like a Marathi caste, and they are become some of them are Telugu caste also. Okay, then but now some of the people who are living near the forest, okay, they too become a civilized, and they too migrated to the villages, and they are same like us living. Okay, so just 1 second. See, based on this lesson, I'll ask you some questions. Okay, see, here you can look at here. Who becomes the headman? Who becomes the headman? Who becomes the headman? By the hereditary only headman will be selected, na? Okay, right. Who will be in that village or that tribal people headmans, in that family only the next children will become elected as headman. What is the relation between Panch and the Patla? Panch means nothing but society. In that Panch, each member of one family will be, okay, Patla is the headman to that Panch. Okay, what is the special role of Patla? He has to be take the responsibilities of the village, and he has to be feed the whoever guest will come to the village. Okay, and he has to be enrolled to the government. At that time British were ruled, no, for that also he has to be answered, and he is the middle person role. Okay, he is a middle person role to the villagers and the officials. Okay, when can a Patla be removed? Yeah, see, when can be a Patla removed, you know? If he behaviors very rude, if he acceptable, if he will not accept the villagers whatever their issues, and if they keep in front of him, even though if he behave in a rude manner, that Patla can be removed by the villagers. Okay, and he can be removed. In the place of that, those people can arrange some another Patla. Okay, see, this is about our lesson, and you have to write in your notes the keywords. You can look at here: hereditary, shared celebrations, anthropologist, and common resources. Okay, and you have to write from this lesson. Okay, from this lesson, from 80 and 81 page, from these 2 pages 20 hard words you have to write. Okay, and my dear children, when you are seeing into the book, you have to see the sometime the pics also. Sometimes they will ask you in the examinations, they'll show you the pic, and they'll ask you to the elaborate the topic, elaborate the picture like that. Okay, this picture is what? So here, by looking in this picture, what is that? Haimandroff, and Haimandroff is collecting the information from the tribal people, and he written some of the notes. Okay, and he have collected some of the pics also here. Okay, see how it is like in a punch meeting. Okay, the victims and who are facing the problems, they are together, they are sat and they are discussing. Okay, so this is about our lesson. Homeworks I'll post to you. Okay, keep on reading the lesson thoroughly. Okay, children.